Welcome back to S&S British Bird Diaries. Now I'm in the stable. In here I have a visually pied greenfinch cock to a normal greenfinch hen, a linnet cock down the middle and a linnet hen on the right next to the pied. And they will be staying in here for the 2024 breeding season. On that one, ladies and gentlemen, thank you ever so much for following me, giving me amazing feedback. I do appreciate it. I will reply to all comments, so feel free to drop a comment. 16 weeks away from breeding now. On that one, ladies and gentlemen, stay safe. Boom, I'm out.